Okay, seriously, if you get motion sick at all, you need to see this. I'm talking about the Tigardie Motion Sickness Patch. And it's been an absolute game changer for me. This little herb paste plaster is a lifesaver. I used to dread car rides, and don't even get me started on flights. But with these, it's like a whole different experience. You just stick one on, and boom, no more nausea, no more dizziness. It's so incredibly effective. I'm honestly blown away. Each box comes with 10 plasters, so you're totally covered for all your adventures. Whether it's a long road trip, a boat ride, or even just a bumpy bus journey, these have got your back. It's genuinely the easiest way to enjoy travel without that awful feeling.